If you've noticed problems with your roof lately, it's important to stay on top of roof repairs in Round Rock, Texas. Sadly, roof damage can rear its ugly head at the worst of times. And when disaster strikes, many homeowners may wonder if their insurance will cover the damage. Unfortunately, there's no simple answer to this question. But the Legacy Roof Pros team is here to help. We'll take you through what will and won't be covered by your homeowner's insurance. Typically, older roofs considered past their expiration date won't be covered, no matter the nature of the damage. So if your roof is getting up there in years, don't expect your insurance company to jump in to save you when you notice a problem. However, most damage caused by peril will be covered. This includes roof damage caused by wind, hail, fire, lightning, and fallen trees. But even with this, there's a caveat. Insurance companies can often claim that damage was due to neglectful maintenance rather than a catastrophe. After all, a well-maintained roof would have been able to hold up, right? Well, not if it wasn't installed properly, which is where we have another problem. If your roof wasn't installed by a licensed professional, maybe a so-so contractor came in to do the work or you installed it yourself, your roof repair claim can easily get denied. To avoid all of the hassle, contact the professionals at Legacy Roofing Pros today to get a quote or inspection.